On stardate September 8, 1966, Gene Roddenberry launched Star Trek: The Interstellar Adventures of Captain James T. Kirk. Along with Roddenberry Entertainment, we have built the ultimate Star Trek community portal, offering a gateway for millions of fans to gather and communicate around everything Trek. Prior to reconstitution, the vials and sterile diluent should be stored in a refrigerator at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Before use, remove the vial containing the lyophilized powder and the vial containing the diluent for reconstitution from the refrigerator. The FX30 vacuum excavator provides more than enough suction power and water pressure. Applications include exposing buried utility lines, cleaning out storm drains, water leak repair, and post hole digging. Existing since at least the late 19th century, any chess variant that uses multiple boards representing different levels is considered 3D chess. When drilling the K-wire to the proximal side, ensure that at least a 1.2 centimeter wide bone bridge remains between the K-wire exit and the trochlea.
I am definitely a madman with a box.
The TARDIS is a 1950s to 1960s London police box. At TARDISbuilders.com, the contributors document their own builds of this sci-fi icon.